Hello friends, so today we're going to learn how to cut a wine bottle round using a string and a flammable fluid. So what we have to do, we have to tie string around the bottle. I don't have experience in this, but we're going to learn together as we proceed. We're going to learn from our mistakes and we will perfect. After applying the flammable liquid, I set it on fire. I have to turn the bottle round so that the heat can be distributed evenly. You have to do this until the flame goes off. Then put it in water so that it can contract instantly. As you can see, I was not successful. There is something that I'm missing. So I used a wire, copper wire, since it's a good conductor of heat, to conduct heat evenly around the bottle on that concentrated part. Okay, and I have to tie the string around the bottle alongside the copper wire so that when the string is burning, the copper wire will be absorbing the heat and distributing it evenly along the section. Then I applied the flammable liquid and my matchbox was misbehaving. I had to look for another one. So I applied again. Then I set it on fire. Then I had to turn around as usual. Then I started adding some more flammable liquid for more flame. After doing that for a while, I waited until the flame reduced. Then immediately I inserted in the bucket of water. So as you can see, the flame is reducing. Then immediately in water, boom.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't